Welcome to our presentation about wildfires in Oregon. Do you know that wildfires are the #1 natural disasters in Oregon? There are 3 types of wildfires: forest fires, brush fires, and grass fires.
Upon reviewing a variety of statistics, wildfires seem to be commonly started by mankind, whether it be carelessness, such as leaving a campsite unattended, or carelessly throwing out a cigarette, or malintent, such as arson. Combustion, which is when a fire starts, occurs when 3 criteria are met: when there is a proper source of fuel, source of oxygen, and source of heat, in order for a substance to reach its flash point and burst into flames. Look at all that fire! And the reason why this fire is getting so out of control is that because there's a constant source of heat to keep the chain reaction going, which kind of turns the fire triangle that we saw earlier into a fire tetrahedron. Look at that unhappy landscape, all that smoke in the air, the red sun, the dead everything. This is what happens when fires get out of control. They destroy habitats for humans and animals. They spew smoke into the air, which blocks out the sun and makes breathing all difficult. And it just leaves a barren landscape that can also be a source for future fires.
High fire danger and conditions lead to forest fires. What is the process of finding and controlling a forest fire? A person on a lookout uses the Osborne firefinder to help locate the fires. Then the crews and equipment are dispatched to the fire's location. Crews use much of the same equipment today as they did in the early 1900s, with the addition of the chainsaw. The next crucial step is to remove fuels and heat to stop the spread of the fire. To remove the fuels, we use hand crews or large equipment to make breaks in the fuel. To remove the heat, we drop water and retardant on the fire, or we spray water from engines. The third one is we can wait for cooler temperatures and rain. The key to stopping a fire is to removing heat and fuels.
So, in conclusion, despite very many different methods of forest management to control wildfires, be it in the form of old Native American practices of thinning and pre-burning, to modern techniques of thinning, to completely clear-cutting an entire forest down, to making laws where we can't touch the forest at all. We fortunately live in a state, and unfortunately, where there is a lot of fuel to have these fires. And we all have to be conscious and aware that this is a major problem in our state, and we need to make a conscious effort, especially when camping or driving, and we all just need to stop smoking, because only you can prevent forest fires, and only us can fight naturally caused wildfires. So thank you.